Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will explore how to output text in Go using three different functions: print, println, and printf. These are essential for displaying information of the program on the console. Go provide three main functions for the outputting text to the console: print, println, and printf. Let's go through them one by one. So first, let's take a look at print function. The print function prints its arguments using their default format. If the argument are not string, the spaces are inserted between them. Now, there are three examples that I have put here. So first, if both the arguments are string here, print I and print j, then in this case you see there is no space between them. And other than that, we can add new line by just inserting the slash n. Then another thing is, if the arguments that we have passed to print are non-string, then they will have default space between them. Next is println. Println function is similar to print, but it adds space between argument and the new line at the end. So it's just that it has added a space between these two values. And also, if I try to print any other thing in the on the next line, so it will add it on the next line and not on the same line. The printf function allows formatted output using verbs like %v and values at %t for types. Like for example, in this thing, if you see here, we have declared two variable I and j. One is with string value hello and one is with integer value 15. And if we want to print them, and let's say for some reason we are getting these values at runtime by some code execution, some complex code execution, and if we want to print them, then we can print the value of variable using mod v or %v, and we can declare and we can print its type using mod t or %t. Here if you see, type is int, and in above print, type is string. And that's how you can use output functions in Go. These are the crucial for debugging and displaying data effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more Go tutorial, let me know in comment. If you have any questions, see you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you. Bye.